Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? The price is very badly fails down from last 24 hours, from last 1 hour. So therefore, I make this specially and very urgent update video for all my viewers, my subscriber, to understand this and be safe from the loss. When I will request my brothers to please subscribe this channel, and then I will give you, my friends, guarantee. I will give everyone, my friend, everyone. If you are just only subscribe this channel, so I will give you guarantee to you will be never lost. So therefore I make this urgent update to the, because this time the price is fails down. So I make this video for my viewers, my subscriber, to understand this and do this. I hope they will be safe from the lost. My brother, you need to do this, my brothers, to please hold. Why? There are, I think, two reasons, my friend. Especially the first main reason to the price is fails down, my brother, especially short-term investor, when they're starting selling, so the coin is fails down. And the second reason, and this is the start of month, so therefore the price is fails down. So these two big reasons, my friend, I found it. And what's, my friends, we need to do and those days, my brothers, to we or be safe from the lost. Let's see, my brother, I will tell you now, but kindly subscribe this channel. Remember, my brothers, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. All right, my brothers, so we need, my brothers, to do this. I hope you will be never lost, my brother. And those days when a short-term investor starting selling, so the coin is fails down. Absolutely, my brother. So therefore we need, my brothers, to invest more and more and hold. Absolutely, my brother. When a short-term investor starting investing, so there this time, my friend, the price is very badly fails down. Absolutely, this is very, my friend, something very critical condition, but and also very critical for Mura, my brother, for all of you now to you understand this. But this is very important for all of you now, so kindly understand now, my brother. When the prices fails down, holder are starting selling, and my friends, they cannot starting buying. But when the price will fails down, so you need to hold and buy, my brother. Absolutely, this is very different, my brother, for others now, but I think this will be very good now, my brother. As you can see here, just in only, my friend, just a minute, I will give you a proof. As you can see, my brother, this time the price is very badly falling down. So therefore, as you just in only, my friends, buy this point, as you can see here, the price is falls down. But if you can see here, the if you buy this time, so I hope, my brothers, this time the price is very cheap now. But when the price will starting moving upwards, so the price is very high now. So as you can see, brother, if you buy at this point, so definitely, my friend, you can see here the price is total average is going to be positive now. So that's clear, my brother. So this is just in only fails down for a short time. So remember, my friends, too, if you have any plan to investing, my friends, so invest like this, my friends. I hope, my friend, they will make you millionaire now, and they will give you a profits now. So hope you understand. Stellar XLM holder, please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.